Good morning, everyone. So this is going to be a quick video. I am making a jelly roll quilt, and so what I am doing right now is I am actually not going to be using a jelly roll. I am actually going to be using scraps. So as you see, I have a pile of scraps here. I am cutting off my edge, and I am lining everything up to start making my cuts. Oops, I can clear off this part right here. And you can do this two ways, many ways. You can use your big ruler. You can use a ruler like this. And you see, I can clear that off just, let's see, there we go. We want to make sure we have everything clear. Nice straight lines, and then you can just come in, and this is a 2.5-inch ruler. You can use a regular ruler, but I'm just going to come in here and make strips. Now, I will be doing these videos in sections. So right now we have a video on how to prepare your batting. This is now just for scraps. I'm telling you, we're using scraps, and then we have more scraps. The scraps just keep multiplying. Okay, I have a fat quarter here. I'm going to take this fat quarter, and I am going to clean off the edge on the top. And the reason why is because we're going to join these fabric scraps together to make one long piece. So I'm doing a square version. I'm just going to bring this like this. I'm going to do a square version. I'm not doing like the oval rug. So I just need straight strips of each color. This is the way I'm doing it. You're joining me on my adventure. This is my first attempt of making a jelly roll rug. I know I keep saying quilt, a jelly roll quilt. It's not. It's a jelly roll rug. And you will see me make reference to a jelly roll quilt, and what I really mean is a rug. So I'm coming in here, and this one was a fat quarter. And I may be able to make one more, and yes, I am. And that leaves me just, that's not even a scrap, that's bye-bye. So I have now this color. So as we proceed, you will be seeing different colors, and you'll be understanding my colorway here in a little bit. But I'm just showing you the cutting. And that's it. So this is a long piece. This is with the fabric because I am using, let me turn this over. I am going to be using scraps. So enough of my talking. Oh, you know what? Before I do that, I want to cut off my selvage again. Believe me, this will make it easy for you. I have already started doing a bunch of other scraps, and I didn't do that, and then I had to go back and do that. So save yourself some time now to do it now. There we go. We have a scrap for a strip quilt. And then we come over here. Now, look, that's an odd kind of scrap, right? Not a problem. We can get it done. Again, you just trim off. And I'm going to trim here as well. And then I'm coming in here and I'm just doing my 2.5-inch strips. Now, when I come back, I'm going to have to see, remember, I want to make sure that this here is straight. When I put them together, I don't want them to be all wonky. Now we're coming in here into this spot. So what I'm going to do here is, if you notice that's like weird scrap, I just come in here and I am just going to clear off that edge. And then that's ready for sewing. And one more. I think I can get one more. Yep, I can. Now, underneath this, I'll close this up, is a scrap, see? So I'm just going to come in here, and I'm just going to make sure this here, right? And that we have a nice clean cut so we can sew. And there we have it. So this is how we are going to take all our scraps and cut them into 2.5-inch strips for rugs, but it also could be for quilts. Everyone have a wonderful day. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. And it's so important that you take care of yourself, pass it forward, and I'll see you soon.